आया होगा, बहुत हेक्टिक होता है। देखो क्या हीरोइन बन गई। हाँ, lot of times that happens, मजा आता है। Sorry, I just made a face. तो इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता। I want to get married. थोड़े ढक्कन भी होते हैं, मतलब बहुत सारी हैं ऐसे तो। हाँ, बस एक्टर बनना है, आ गई मुंह ढके।
Hi, this is Sana Farzeen and welcome to India Today. And today I have a very special guest with me, Asha Negi. Asha, what made you turn into a honeymoon photographer for a couple?
पैसा दिया उन्होंने मुझे। But यार, I thought the character was really, I mean, it had a lot of layers, and it was something that I haven't really done before. Or the story was quite intriguing. It was a murder mystery, and I thought कि मतलब कुछ ऐसे reason मिला नहीं मुझे मना करने का, because I thought it was a full package, and I really wanted to do something like this. So yeah.
And you also get to like holiday while shooting something that's shot abroad. Like tell me about that entire experience of maybe shooting in Maldives.
See, outdoor shoot, Maldives, ऐसा बहुत fancy लगता है ना, कितना वाओ, कितना मजा आया होगा, बहुत hectic होता है। I mean, it's a lot of fun because the entire team is together and you're outdoors, but it is also quite hectic because you are on the beach पूरा दिन and the sun happening और तुम जल रहे हो और तुम humidity and all of that, but you have to look pretty and hot. So it does become hectic, but it was a lot of fun all in all, and it was beautiful.
And of course, honeymoon से मुझे शादी याद आ रही है. But Asha, tell me, when you become popular, when you maybe go to a relative's wedding or a friend's wedding, like people must be treating you so differently. या सब ऐसे sneak करके क्या? Tell me about that experience.
Yeah, last year I had gone for a cousin's wedding, and जिन लोगों के साथ मैंने बचपन में time spend किया हुआ है, जिन्होंने मुझे अपनी गोद में खिलाया था, तो वो ऐसे वो थे कि तो फोटो अरे मैं हूँ मैं। तो वो एक्चुअली शादी में काफ़ी फ़ोटोज़ वगैरह में मैं बिज़ी रही, बट बहुत मज़े आते, पर फिर अच्छा भी लगता है कि यार बचपन में मिले थे हम, एंड लाइक नाउ देखो क्या हीरोइन बन गई। तो मज़ा आता है ऐसे मिलके।
But has there ever been a time when someone just invited you because of your maybe celebrity status?
हाँ, a lot of times that happens. Sorry, I just made a face. But I don't know.
Yeah. Good. Smart move.
Yeah, I mean, if somebody is calling you just because I don't know, and जहाँ पे मतलब मेरा अभी भी वही कनेक्शन है and not because I am an actor, वहाँ पे मैं बिना बुलाए भी चली जाऊँगी।
Yeah. And tell me, as like growing up as girls, we have our different ideas of a wedding. Like when you look back, what was the idea when you were a kid? What was the idea of a wedding for you?
Arey, I thought that I'll be married by 25. Oh. Yeah, idiot. Yeah, that's what I thought, and मुझे चाहिए था I wanted to arrange marriage because I loved the idea कि लड़के वाले देखने आए और मैं ट्रे लेके चाय लेके आऊँ, एंड देन फिर वो जो पहले की मूवीज़ में भी दिखाते थे और पहले के टाइम पे ऐसा होता भी था, जो बड़ी बहन है उन सबका ऐसे ही हुआ है, तो मुझे वो बहुत मैं फैसिनेटेड सी रहती थी कि मैं भी ऐसे ही करूँगी अरेंज मैरिज। Yeah.
And what is your idea of marriage today? Like,
I want to get married, and I want to, I'm not sure about kids, but I want to get married. But I want to get married when I fall in love. Yeah.
And what about a wedding? Like, are you someone who dreams of having like a big wedding, or you someone?
नहीं यार, पता है, I want to do it in a mandir. Oh. Yeah, I want it to be as spiritual as it can be, like just like lots of God's blessings, वो वाला type का.
Amazing. And what is the idea of a husband that you have now?
Husband, yeah, I really don't know. वो जब when I meet somebody and I will feel कि yeah, तब होगा. I don't think.
Yeah. Good. Also, Asha, I mean, of course, it's very interesting to see a different side of you on social media today. The way you dance, or just the way you are open. Tell me, how much time and effort did it take for you to kind of get out of that shell? Because of course, you were always a very private person. To now just open up to being yourself. Like, tell me about that
Yeah.
journey of finding maybe yourself.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I think it just happened with time. It was not one night's realization or something. I woke up one day and I realized, okay, now I want to be me. But it just happened with time and with experiences.
Yeah.
But it is so much more, and it also happened with a lot of bad experiences from life. Yeah, the difficult ones. And then finally, you feel, I think I have gotten more and more liberated, more and more free, and more myself,
Yeah.
and okay, and extremely comfortable in my own skin. And I think it's beautiful. Nothing is more beautiful than this. Yeah.
But how do you kind of, even today, how do you block out the negative comments that comes your way? Maybe people, you are being yourself, but people don't look at you that way. How do you kind of deal with that, Asha?
Now it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Earlier it used to. Take a toll on my mental health. But अब ना इतना time हो गया ना on social media और trolling is like people are just sitting there to troll everybody. तो इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And also I think being sure, that surety about yourself really helps with that. कि मुझे पता है ना मैं क्या हूँ, कोई कुछ भी बोले. So I think that really helps.
What is that one thing you kind of rediscovered about yourself? Kya cha, this is also me. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I think I'm funny. So I realized कि I think I'm funny. That discovery.
Yeah, amazing. But also it's so beautiful, maybe when you kind of post videos or photos from your hometown, just to see you connected to your roots.
Yeah.
Has that also come through time that you realize that that is my truth, that I want to stay connected?
All of it has happened through my journey, and it just has happened. It has taken time, its own sweet time. I think that is why I love getting old.
Yeah, true.
It just becomes so much more liberated, so much more confident, so much more sure in yourself. And people, I don't know why people used to say, ki, Arey, aging, fear the aging process, but it's so beautiful. You become more wise, you become more liberated, more confident, more sure. और क्या चाहिए यार?
But tell me, of course, all your friends are also growing along with you. So वो होता है कि good that everyone is growing, वरना otherwise people would be calling you कि क्या ज्ञान दे रही हो यार, ये सब बातें करके.
यार देखो पता है क्या हो गया? Yeah, people are growing, but at times when people are not, you just have to find your own people.
Yeah.
And if those are not the people who are connecting with you on that thought, then maybe it is time that you move in your own lane and let them go. So I really believe in that. Yeah.
But are you like someone who gets detached easily, or you are an emotional person?
I get detached. Detached as in कि मतलब कुछ off हुआ and I am in my own lane.
Wow.
Yeah, seriously. I don't know if it's a good thing or a
it's a
bad
very
thing.
good thing actually.
And I give up. Yeah, I give up. I can't make those efforts. And I feel life is too short to spend it with people who are not on the same page. है ना?
True, very true.
Yeah.
And you cannot just keep on trying, knowing कि नहीं हो रहा है. It's better.
Exactly, it's better कि तुम्हें जो तुम्हारे लिए ठीक है तुम वो करो. I will do what is good for me.
Asha, tell me 3 pahadi qualities that's like still in you, that when you look into yourself, you're like, ये तो है मेरे अंदर.
Yeah, I think the simplicity. Like, Pahadis are very simple, and especially like my mom and dad, they both are तो मतलब so simple. So I think that is something that I have, you know, that is still there. Then थोड़े ढक्कन भी होते हैं, मतलब ढक्कन आज ऐसे बेवकूफ़ बना देते हैं लोग उनका, तो ये भी होता रहता है मेरे साथ, अभी भी होता है. बट आई डोंट वांट टू चेंज. आई फील कि ठीक है, आई विल लर्न फ्रॉम माय ओन लेसन्स until the time you are clear from within.
Like your consciousness is clear.
Yeah, your consciousness is clear now, and I can sleep peacefully at night now. It is okay.
Yeah.
And thirdly, pahadi quality क्या होगी? I love nature. I love the mountains.
Yeah. True.
That.
And any middle class habit that kind of still remains?
Oh, so many. I still don't want to pay a high rent. Like I don't want to shift to a place that have like, rent more than 1 lakh or something. That is a middle class mentality. Then बहुत हैं, बहुत सारी हैं ऐसे तो.
So you've been in Bombay for a while now. Buying a house was never a plan?
यार I'm an idiot now. मैं वही बोल रहा पहाड़ी. You know, I would have जब टेलीविजन कर रही थी ना तब. Now the thing is, I want to be selective. I want to be very conscious of my projects that I'm doing. So या तो पैसा कमा लो या फिर अच्छे projects कर लो. So या टेलीविजन के टाइम पे बना लिया होता तो हो गया होता, but अभी थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है.
But tell me, Asha, as someone in your mid-30s, like how important is money? Like what does money means to you?
It means a lot. And with time you realize how important money is. थोड़ा बचा लिया होता तो अच्छा रहता. But it is not as important as my decisions of doing good work.
Yeah.
कि यार चल कोई बात नहीं, पैसा मिल रहा है ना बहुत सारा, बट काम ओके है तो कर लेती हूँ, वो नहीं हो पाएगा. Yeah.
And what do you splurge on?
Splurge as in?
खर्च, सबसे ज़्यादा खर्च किस पे होती है?
I think food
Okay.
and shopping यार.
Shopping, like what do you shop for?
कुछ भी. और आजकल तो इतना easy हो गया है ना on online shopping and everything. So like clothes and shoes. Yeah. अभी नया because now I'm into fitness also ना, so workout clothes also.
Was 2024 looked like this in your mind?
नहीं यार. In fact, when I had come here, I was so like lost कि हाँ बस एक्टर बनना है. आ गई मुंह उठा के एक बैग पैक करके एक्टर बनना है. और फिर उसके बाद ऑडिशन देने लग गई. हाँ, आई डिड वांट टू डू एड्स एंड फिल्म्स. टेलीविजन में जैसे लगता था नहीं मुझे नहीं करना टेलीविजन, बट देन आई रियलाइज ओके इट्स नॉट दैट इजी. और तू जो बिल्कुल बिना किसी प्रिपरेशन की आई हुई है ना, तुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं मिलने वाला फिल्म में काम. सो जस्ट कीप ऑडिशनिंग एंड जस्ट डू वॉट एवर यू गेट. सो या आई ऑडिशन एंड मैं वही बोलती हूँ कि यार टीवी ना मतलब it accepted me. And it gave me so much love. इतनी गंदी एक्टिंग करती थी मैं. Yeah, but people still gave so much love. So that way I'm really grateful.
And if you could just go back in time and tell that Asha something, what would that be?
Nothing. I just want her to make her own mistakes, learn from her own experiences. कुछ नहीं बताऊंगी मैं. पूरा बदला लूंगी. Yeah.
Lastly, tell me, Asha, how do your parents, how do your family react to all of it? जैसे कि आपने कहा कि बहुत ही simple एक family होती है, तो आप expect नहीं करते कि ये कुछ होगा भी. Tell me, how was firstly to convince them to let you go to Bombay, and secondly, what do they tell you about the way your journey has been?
यार, so when I told them that I want to go to Bombay, they did not take me seriously. पागल, इसके phases आते रहते हैं. अभी ये phase आया हुआ है. सो जस्ट जैसे वो मेरे बचपन में फेज़ आते थे ना कि मुझे पैरेट चाहिए, मुझे कुत्ता चाहिए, ऐसे ही इसका ही एक ऐसे ही फेज़ है. दैट्स व्हाट दे थॉट. एंड व्हेन आई रियलाइज दे आर नॉट टेकिंग मी सीरियसली, सो आई कन्विंस देम अ लिटिल हार्डर. आई टोल्ड देम कि आई वांट टू गो. नहीं हुआ तो आई स्टार्टेड भूख हड़ताल. या आई स्टार्व्ड फॉर 2-3 days. फिर उसके बाद ओके सेकेंड थर्ड डे उनको लगा ओके दिस इज सीरियस. सो देन माई मॉम केम टू कन्विंस मी कि खा ले वो. मतलब नहीं, मैं तो जाना ही है, मुझे जाना ही है, थोड़े टाइम के लिए जाने दो बट जाने दो. सो शी गॉट कन्विंस बिकॉज बच्ची खा नहीं रही है तो मम्मी का तो दिल पिघलेगा ही. देन शी वेंट एंड कन्विंस माई फादर एंड दैट्स व्हेन इट हैपेंड. आई आस्क्ड देम फॉर 2-3 months. अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ आई विल बी बैक. सो दैट्स हाउ आई केम. एंड अब उनको जर्नी का ऐसा लगता है, उनको एक्चुअली सच बताऊँ उनको ज़्यादा खुशी तब मिलती थी जब मैं टीवी पे उनको दिखती थी. या अब उनको ये वेब सीरीज़ अगर उनको नहीं पड़ी है, आई टोल्ड यू दे वेरी सिंपल. टीवी में आती थी 2 बार भी आती थी ना सेम एपिसोड, मम्मी दोनों बार देखती थी. या बट अभी तो हाँ दे आर हैप्पी दैट आई एम हैप्पी डूइंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. सो या